Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you how can you copy your YouTube channel link. Maximum people so don't know how to copy our own channel link. Now today I'm going to show you how can you copy your channel link, and I want to tell you first that my next video will be about custom URL on a YouTube. I create already one part which you'll find in part 11, and I'm going to create next part after that video, that is how can you add your custom URL on your channel. My previous video was how can you remove or change your custom URL or delete. My new another video will be how to add your custom URL. So now let's start. At first you have to come your channel, then click corner and click your channel. After that, you have to select for your full YouTube channel, you have to select home. After clicking home, you are now seeing your URL over on your tab. This is your channel URL, so it's called channel URL, but you have to at first click on home, then you have to click it or copy it. Click it or copy it, and I will show you the process and you can learn it. You can say I copy my channel URL and paste here for seeing it's working or not. You can see my channel URL is working. So this is your channel URL because you click it, you select already home, then you click on the URL. So this is your channel URL. Hope you will understand my video, and if you are new on my channel, just keep watching and stay with me for new updates and for your another unique video and helpful video. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel.